Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of data science and the age-old debate of Python versus R. Why do people keep coming back to this question? Well, maybe they're just not satisfied with the answers they've found so far. But fear not, my friends. I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you my comprehensive take on this topic to take the discussion to a whole new level. My goal here is to help beginners in data science choose which language to learn based on their current level, goals, and the industry direction they want to pursue. And trust me, I've been using Python on a daily basis for the past 8 years, so I've got some insights to share. Let's kick things off with Python. It's an open source, object-oriented programming language that works seamlessly across all major operating systems. The beauty of Python lies in its versatility. You can use it to build a wide range of algorithms, from web programming to machine learning. No wonder it has become the go-to language for data scientists in recent years. Plus, the Python community is vibrant and supportive, with programmers, data scientists, and machine learning experts all coming together to create a fantastic support system. Now, let's talk about the industries that love Python. It's popular in organizations that need to perform multi-type programming and want to stay within the same language environment. Think software development, desktop GUI applications, web development, database access, 3D graphics, computer vision, and even game development. Python has got you covered in all these areas. When it comes to data science, Python offers a plethora of powerful libraries. We've got pandas for data wrangling and cleaning, NumPy and SciPy for numerical and statistical analysis, Matplotlib and Seaborn for data visualization, and scikit-learn, Keras or TensorFlow, and Pitch for machine learning. These libraries are like superpowers that make your data science journey a breeze. But how about its rival, R? Well, things get interesting here. R was developed by statisticians as an open-source alternative to expensive tools like MATLAB and SAS. It's a language that was created for analytics and data analysis before data science even became a separate field. And boy, does it excel in those areas. R is not a general-purpose language like Python, but it's a statistical powerhouse. It's perfect for diving deep into statistical libraries and unleashing their full potential. Industries like banking, e-commerce, finance, bioinformatics, epidemiology, genetics, and drug development rely on R for their data analysis needs. But here's the catch. R is not very beginner-friendly. Its syntax is not as standardized as Python, making it a bit more challenging to learn, especially if you're not familiar with any programming language. But hey, they say if you're good at statistics, understanding R becomes a whole lot easier. It's like speaking the language of data analysis. Now, let's talk about the big question. Which one is better? Well, it depends on your goals and experience. Both languages have their advantages and disadvantages. R has a strong community support system for data science-related issues, while Python is easier to learn and offers more versatility. Python is usually faster, supports multi-type programming, and is great for deep learning, while R shines in data visualization. When it comes to earning potential, Python tends to have a slight edge. According to Glassdoor statistics, Python developers earn slightly more on average than R programmers. But remember, the payment ultimately depends on factors like industry, country, and experience. So, my personal recommendation for beginners starting a career in data science is to go with Python. Its versatility and beginner-friendly nature make it a great choice. Plus, who knows where the field will be in the next 5 or 10 years. Python allows you to easily switch directions if needed. But hey, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. What matters most is your genuine interest in the field. So, choose the language that excites you the most and dive right in. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this discussion helpful in your data science journey. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, whether you choose Python or R, the world of data science is waiting for you to make your mark. Keep learning, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video.